See if I can readjust my chair. There we go. Perfect. We've got an iPhone 11 on the workbench today, and it needs a handful of things. We're going to be replacing the loudspeaker, top speaker, charging port, screen, and the battery. It's not a really cheap fix, but this will probably be like the last big repair that any iPhone will probably realistically see. The battery on this is starting to go down. The battery's brand new, and the screen is a refurbished screen. And so try to go technically almost just as OEM as possible with this one, but I can only get so far. So what they do with these refurbished screens is the LCD is original, but the front glass is aftermarket. So what they do is whenever you crack the front screen on your phone, kind of like this, but means that the LCD layer is damaged, they can't really use that. Whenever it cracks, what they'll do is they'll take up the front glass, clean it, and then paste a new aftermarket glass on these. Means that the digitizers typically pretty savable to an extent. So this is essentially what the screen looks like after you take it off. But either way,